What's going on, y'all? So we dropping off this chicken coop. I got two of them, two 8x8s, and I gotta figure out the best spot as far as location. Right now my focus is on actually putting them together, not necessarily where they will be permanently, but I do want to be close proximity to wherever I end up putting it. But this is what they used to have up here as far as where they used to keep chickens. So it's pretty rundown. Y'all can hear all the birds in the trees back there. So I was thinking in this spot right here, like in this general area, but I'm gonna walk the property a little bit. As far as I want to keep it within this 2 acres of the mobile home. I don't want it to be too far off as far as the chicken coop and chicken run and everything. Actually, this looks like a decent area right here. I could put it the long way. That way I can expand it and I'll just keep it long. And it'll be in close proximity to the house, but not too close. So I gotta do some configuring anyways as far as what he has out here planted. I'm not exactly sure. Looks like he put some sand out here. I'm not sure what the reasoning was, but here's a tree. I'm not sure what that is. But yeah, I'm gonna walk down a little further. He has some oak trees that he planted. Right there is one, which I'll leave that one. And then there's an oak tree right there too that he recently planted, I guess within a year. All right, y'all, I think I have it settled now. I think I'm gonna put the chicken coop over here. That way I can add to the run if I wanted to. But I think that'll be the perfect spot. So I'm not sure if we're gonna lease out this field right here. It's about 5 acres, 5 or 6 acres right here. And that's the line right there. Like a makeshift line. But I think I'm gonna put it over here as far as that chicken coop and chicken run. So yeah. All right, y'all. Wind down, when to go. As far as the siding anyways, I'm gonna have to get some help to put on the roof. So I'll just wait for my wife on this part.